Meaning of domiciled.
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 Domiciled. Domiciled refers to a person's legal residence or the place where they have established their permanent home. It typically implies that the person intends to remain in the location for an indefinite period of time. Domicile is often used in legal contexts, such as for determining tax liabilities or eligibility for certain benefits. When someone claims to be domiciled in a particular place, it can have significant implications for their legal status and obligations. Overall, domicile refers to a person's official and long-term place of residence.